Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, as you can see, I have shared a lots of beautiful daily wear outfit ideas, amazing ideas, and latest stylish outfit ideas are shared in today's video. Hope so you will enjoy and like my these ideas, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. If you want to see much more ideas related to daily wear and different ideas, so stay tuned to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. And if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. I have shared a lots of beautiful outfit ideas related to girls fashion and different occasional dresses, daily wear, party dresses, and also I have shared a huge collection of nail art designs, amazing nail art designs, different occasional, seasonal, like spring nail art, summer nail art, winter, and much more ideas related to nail art designs. For back-to-back videos, you can check them in my playlist that I have shared with the ideas name like nail art designs, hairdo, and party wear dresses and evening dresses. A lots of beautiful different countries street style fashion are shared, like London street style fashion, Greek street style fashion, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, America, and different countries street style fashion. Hope so you will like and enjoy those ideas. If you are a working woman, then I have a huge playlist related to working women's daily wear outfit ideas. Different ages women's haircuts and street style fashion, like over 30, over 40, over 50, and over 60, 70 women's dress designing and different ideas are shared. So friends, don't forget to visit once and also tell me about today's video in the comment section. And if you have any kind of demand related to any fashion idea, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. Amazing, latest and stylish ideas related to girls fashion for daily wear are shared in today's video. Hope so you enjoyed and like my today's video. If you like these ideas, then hit the like button. Now let me say to take care. Bye bye.